For number 4, we have to find the mass to mass with given 5 grams of silver and 3.5 grams of CuCl2 to form copper metal. So you have to do 2 different tables. So we give the given right here, so that's 0.5 grams of aluminum, and then we would do 1 mole, and then balance out. So the molar mass is 27 grams, and then of aluminum. And then you have to put how many with the balanced equation of copper there is, so 3 Cu over 1 mole of aluminum. And that would do another mole over here to cross out the moles. And then you do 64, because this is what you're looking for, of copper. That's the molar mass. And then that comes out to,
or like a quail heart, because quails are smaller.
All right, ready, Vivian? 3.5 grams of copper. So for part 2, you have another given, which is 3.5 grams of CuCl2. So we're going to write that right here since it's our given. Grams of CuCl2. And then you have to put 1 mole right here of that. 1 mole of CuCl2. And then you have 3 in the balanced equation grams of copper, so you're going to put that. And then the molar mass of copper is 64, so you're going to put 64 grams of copper. Then you have another mole over here, and you're going to put, again, 3 grams of copper. And you have to find the molar mass of CuCl2, but you have to take into account that it's a dihydrate, so you have to do CuCl2 times 2H2O. You take 1 Cu, because you only have 1, you do 64, plus 35. Times 2, so you have to do 64 plus 35 times 2, which is 134, plus 64, and that equals 198. So we're going to write that down over here, just to keep track of it. And then you have 4 hydrogens, and hydrogen is molar mass is 1, so you do 4 times 1, and that's 4, so we're going to add that. Plus, and then 2 oxygen, so you do 16 times 2, and that comes out to 32. So you take all your molar masses and you add them together, which is 198 plus 4 plus 32, and you get 234 grams of CuCl2. And then to get your final product, you multiply the top and divide it by the bottom. So you multiply both the top and the bottom, but you divide them.
We have a word problem. Ooh, it's red now.
And then 234 times 3 equals 702.
Oh my god.
It's hot now, huh?
So you multiply both the top and the bottom, so now we're going to divide. So 672 divided by 702, and that gives us 0.957, and then we'll do
50 milliliters of water, distilled water.
Yes.
And then stir it.
Here, I'll place it down so you can see. Sharpie.
Okay, so the question that number 4 was asking us of which one was the limiting and which one was the excessive, and to get the limiting, it's the smaller number out of the 2 products, and that would, for us, that was the CuCl2, and the excessive was the Al. And then you can use that for number 5 as well, and that gives you 0.9573 grams of Cl for the theoretical yield. Alright, so 3.8 grams is the amount of copper that we obtained from the lab after we did it. And to find your percent yield, you need the actual yield. So we take 3.8 grams, and then we take 0.9573, and that is the number of our theoretical yield. So we take that and you divide it and we get like 3.969, and then you multiply that by 100 and you get 396%. And then right here we did the color that the solution turned, and that was dark purple and a maroon color.